Hey everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute audio in OBS step by step. Whether you want to silence a specific source or mute your microphone temporarily, this guide will help you do it easily. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more OBS tips and tech tutorials. Step 1. First, open OBS and look at the Audio Mixer panel, which is located at the bottom of your OBS window. Here, you'll see all the active audio sources like your microphone, desktop audio, or any other custom sources you've added. Step 2. To mute any source, simply click on the speaker icon next to the audio source in the audio mixer. When the speaker icon has a slash through it, the audio for that source is muted, and it won't be heard in your stream or recording. Step 3. If you want more control, like muting and unmuting automatically, you can assign a hotkey. To do this, go to the Settings menu in OBS, then click on Hotkeys. Find the audio source you want to control and assign a key for mute and unmute. This way, you can toggle audio on or off without needing to click around during your stream. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.